Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install Filezilla on Fedora 34. Filezilla is a cross-platform application and free software application that allows us to upload and download files to the FTP server, which is also available for Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. Now I'm going to check the OS version with this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install the Filezilla application with this following command. Installation completed, and then I'm going to check the local search bar. Search here Filezilla, click and open. This is a dashboard page for Filezilla. Now I'm going to check the version of this application. See here, this is the version of Filezilla. The process of installation Filezilla on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.